Welcome to Ohio Renaissance Festival Pirate Weekend, September 20th, 2025. It's already sold out. Should be a great day. Okay, we have just took a bunch of pictures of people coming in. Met some fans that enjoyed the videos. Thanks for stopping by and saying hello. And yeah, like I said, we concentrate on some pictures today for right now. So we will do a little walk back for now. We'll get a few of the people that's still coming in. Like, look at the damsels over there with their long hats and the trailing lace. Nice. So most of the lines of the people are getting in. Should be meeting up with somebody and then someone else at 12:30, and we'll see. And you never know here. It's hard to find people.
Over there, baby.
Like a pickle?
Night fights, 12:30 and 4. You want to see some good stuff, you head up to that. There you're going to see some fights. They're not all barbarians, that's a specific group, but they definitely clash with real armor and real weapons and really beating on each other.
We gotta look at where to.
I believe Stuart is performing, been performing probably. Then Blades of Death in the PB&J Circus.
Razors! Bigger things! That's hysterical. I showed you the chicken sickle. Oh, let's add fire to the mix just because it's that kind of a day. Oh, there's a plunger. I showed people earlier today. There's a bell. Ringy dingy, come the show. Ringy dingy, come the show. Oh, some people said I should get a hand. So I did. That's right, it's a handstand. Yes, ma'am. What's the first name? The shaky egg? The thing that nobody ever is selected. Yes, what's the blue? What's the yeah.
I didn't know you guys coming. No.
The goth rubber duck and the shaky egg. No. Alright, let's end with the mohawk. What's the last item? The rubber chicken? Alright, let's have a conversation about how this bit's supposed to go. I pull out the dangerous stuff and everybody goes, oh, let's do the dangerous stuff. That's what I practice. I don't think I've ever juggled. Actually, I know I've never. Nobody ever picks the shaky egg. And the duck just like appeared. Everybody likes the big knife. Do the big knife. Ooh, it's so scary. Alright, fine. We're eschewing the danger. We're going straight to the let's see how good this guy actually is. What are you doing? No, I need you up for this bit. Thank you. Up for the bit. Thank you. So the shaky egg. This isn't normally a problem. We'll have to use the magic word. Cialis. Now we're ready. Don't worry if juggling persists longer than 4 hours. Consultant flounder.
It's not dark.
Wow. You guys can't even see half of it. Oh, yeah. Practice the dangerous stuff. That's right. Before I attempt this, I do have two quick announcements. Announcement number one goes to the kids. And I am talking to kids of all ages. You know who you are. Don't try this stuff at home. Don't try this stuff at a friend's house. The tricks I'm doing up here can be very dangerous and should only be attempted by highly trained professional idiots. That does bring up the second announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, I am a professional idiot. This is how I earn my living. Thank you for the stunned silence. Obviously, every now and then, an entertainer, a good part of that does rely upon your kindness and generosity, and all I do is have tips and donations for my shows here today. So at the conclusion of this bit, I'll have a basket up here. I've got a jet in the back as well. I'm walking all the way up here. Tips and donations greatly appreciated. At 5 or even 10, we've been very generous. However, if there's something you really enjoyed or were particularly impressed by, and you'd like to comment upon such, please. In all sincerity, guys, thank you very much for coming up today. My name is Stuartski Siskonovich, Master Manipulation Challenge Juggle. Stalling like a Russian leader. That's my favorite juggle show right there. If this works, applaud and applaud quickly. This ain't gonna work for long. See, I don't use that joke. I could. There's 13 other jokes I don't use. Why did I ever do you anything? I'm glad you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and enjoy the rest of it.
Well, Stuart was given the most easiest challenge ever. It was so funny. I mean, that's what made it funny. No blades, no heavy and light. That's cool. Thanks everyone for watching the 2025 Ohio Renaissance Festival series, Pirates Weekend. We entered in and checked out Stuart, a few other things. There are new videos coming out daily, so don't miss them. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and share to help others find it. I post videos from events and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg Jay, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.